Welcome to how to create a Windows share on TrueNAS Scale. Let's get started. I create a new pool. If you already have one, skip this step. With 2 hard drives, I choose mirror storage to ensure data security. Next, I create a new dataset. Datasets. I create a new dataset on the newly created pool. Name, Test, Dataset Preset, SMB. Close. Save. Enable SMB Service. Next, I create a new user. Credentials. Users. New user to access the newly shared folder. Add. Full name. Username. Password. Confirm password. 1234. Browse to the newly shared folder. Grant read and write permissions to the newly created user on the newly created folder. Confirm. Continue. TrueNAS Scale IP address. Access Windows Share using IP address. Enter username and password. Here are the steps to create a Windows shared folder on TrueNAS Scale. Thanks for watching. Good luck.